Music.
Ang PDA Season 2 kasama si Yang Constantino.
Iyong nakikita iba't ibang istorya, iba't ibang paniniwala. Ngunit nagsisikat sa pangarap, sa sakripisyo, bawis binubuno, nagbabago. Ganyan tao sa puso dahil nais naming marating tuktok ng mga bituin. Di kami titigil, papatunayan sa buong mundo, kayang-kaya natin ito. Kami susuko.
Which bracket niyong lahat? Let's start.
22 po.
You?
25. 25 po.
19. There must be a lot in common.
Opo, especially yung passion.
Yes.
Singing.
Pero hindi, di ba sa loob na you had a chance to get to know each other better. Yung maganda at hindi maganda. Paano nakatulong yan ngayon na nasa labas na kayo ng academy?
Inside and outside the academy, from the beginning po, we were all friends naman eh. It's just that inside the academy...
What do you mean? Bago kayo pumasok, magkakaibigan na kayo?
Opo, kasi nung final casting, doon na nag-exchange ng cellphone numbers,
Alright.
nagtatawagan, nagte-text. Inside the academy, na-develop nga lang yung friendships kasi you live in close contact with each other. And then, na-learn mo from someone else what his or her strengths and weaknesses are.
Ikaw, Christian.
Sa loob po kasi, sobrang strong ng band. Kaya lang, syempre po, hindi naman po may iwasan yung nagkakaroon ng gap. Kasi syempre po, iba-iba rin po yung mga ugali namin.
Personalidad. Right. Okay.
Pero, madali pong naayos.
Kanino ka nagkaroon ng gap?
Kay Arnie and kay
Pero
Jackie.
naayos, no?
Pero naayos ko
Kampi si
agad.
Baby Jane sa'yo.
Yeah,
Ikaw
oo.
niyayakap niya. Okay, sandali.
Ang mga pag-ibig, pag-usapan nga natin. Sige nga.
Todo pirit. Siyempre po, may
Sarap naman nun todo. That's
Yes,
true. That's true. And you're happy because you're together now.
Yes po.
That's true. Okay.
Tapos yung anak din namin.
Correct.
Yes.
Nadagdagan pa yung ibig sabihin ng pag-ibig ni Kaza.
Are you in a relationship now?
Hindi po. Pero I always have pagmamahal in my heart.
That's
It's like a
nice.
chorus that's never fading.
That's true. That's true. Lalo na sa singers, napakahalaga, di ba?
Yes.
Tumatango si Christian. Go ahead. Are you in love?
Nagka-relationship ka na?
Opo.
Ah, really? Ilan?
Basta madali po kasi ako talagang may love.
Madali ka ma-in love?
Sobra po.
Paano ka ma-in love?
Pagka na-in-love ako, sobra-sobra. Binibigay ko po lahat.
Anong style mo ng pandiligaw?
Kinakantahan ko po.
Ay,
Wow.
oh!
Ano ang
I
madalas
wanna
mong
hear the
kinakanta?
song.
Yes.
You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful
Natakot sa'yo, lumayo!
to me.
Galing naman. If you were to sing a song, a love song, para ilarawan ngayon ang estado ng iyong puso, what song is that? Sing it.
And I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside.
So, meron ngayon?
Meron po. Masayang-masaya.
Saya
Oh,
naman.
Mas naging strong pa nga yung relationship namin because of PDA. Kasi nga, he went through so much without me. So,
Oh, nice.
Kaya ngayon, pakinggan natin si Shivas.
there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wind shall fall, it will fall upon us all. And between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart, run away with my heart, run away with my love. I know now just quite how my life and love might still go on in your heart and your mind. I'll stay with you for all the time. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I'll go wherever you will go. Wherever you will go.
Shivas kayo, anong mga balak, mga plano ninyo?
Gusto ko po someday magkaroon ng stable job for my family.
Siyempre po, for me, gusto ko pa rin pursue yung singing career. Ang pangarap ko po talaga maging artista dati pa.
That's good income, ah. At least kasi gabi-gabi yan.
Regular.
Opo. Thank you, God.
Yeah.
Go, Christian.
Ako po, gusto ko pa rin po ipagpatuloy yung singing career ko po. And gusto ko rin pong makapag-direct sa theater. And ituloy po yung, ituloy ko po yung,
Correct, Christian. Oh,
yung
tapos?
dubbing ko. And
I
mapuso
call it the dub for
Opo.
whom? Tell me.
Hero
Are you allowed
po.
to know? Ha?
Hero po. Sa Hero po.
The one, that channel on cable, di ba?
Opo. Saka po sa DOS po.
Ako po, since the beginning of PDA, may sinabi po sa akin si Direct Joey and I will never forget it. You are now starting to live your dream. That's why I'm so thankful po sa ABS-CBN at sa buong PDA na tinutulungan nila ako, tinutulungan nila kaming lahat ng dreamers, lahat ng scholars to start and live out our dreams in this wonderful world called show business. Of course, Dream Night of Pinoy Dream
Kailan
Academy
ito?
Season 2. 2 days po yan, September 13 and 14. On September 13, yun po yung performance night and September 14, yun yung awarding.
Sino ang bet mo, Christian?
For me po, Larny or Bugoy.
Ikaw, Apple, sino ang bet mo?
Ako po si Bugoy po talaga.
Talaga, Sheng,
Bugoy.
Shivas, Laarni.
Yes,
Okay.
Tito Boy.
Maraming salamat po. Continue singing. Thank you for your music. Mabuhay kayo. Maraming salamat sa jamming with our kapamilya. Mga kaibigan, magandang umaga. Ito po ang Boy.
Yes.